everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog starts with something really interesting. My first ever actual camera has arrived, and the camera that I picked, the Sony ZV-E10. So let's cue the unboxing video because it's finally here. So I had to start recording it again because I realized I forgot it was recording on a closed laptop. But anyways, this is the box that comes out of this whole thing over here. And it also comes with some of these packets. That's cool to play with later on. But this is the actual camera. It's so small in the box. Okay, are you all ready? This is the future of my channel, basically. Okay. So first there's some warranty stuff. That's good if I need it. Protection plans. That's nice. A guide. Lenses and accessories kit. So I guess you can learn about it. Like it has some QR codes on it. You show it properly. Has some like QR codes and everything on it. Then there's another guide. This has a lot of guides. Is that worrying? I have no clue. Okay, now you get to the actual stuff. So first, this is the neck strap that you get. So this makes it easy to carry around. A cable. It's USB type A at one end and type C at the other. That works really well for my dock because there's a free USB A port in that. The camera on this side, we'll get to that last. And in this one, there is it's like a power brick. Yeah, it's a power brick. So that's, I guess, if you need it on the go, but I have one right here, so that's good. Then let's see what's in this. This looks weird. It's in a paper box. What is this actually? Oh, okay. This is, I don't know the technical term for this, but it's supposed to block out the wind when you're recording. So that's quite cool. Then after that we have, I think this is a battery. Probably is, to be fair. Yeah, it is. Yep, so that's a battery that this thing uses. Probably have to end up buying a few of these so that it's good for a while. That's cool. It has kind of like pattern and some lighting if it focuses on this. Okay, so it isn't really seen, but like there's a slight pattern in it when you see it. And now the most important part, the camera. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. This is the camera. Look at how cool that looks. Oh, this is so cool. And I did get it with the kit lens, so this thing on the front is a 16 to 50mm. Look at how cool that looks. That's so cool. And the main reason why I got this was because of this feature. You can flip it out so you can see the screen like this. So if you're recording, then it's way easier to see everything. Like for example, if I'm holding it like this, you can see everything here. Now, the battery. Okay, so the battery goes in here and the SD card goes over here. And I did buy an SD card as well. So I've been prepared for this moment. Now I gotta figure out how the battery actually goes in. That's a pretty concerning sign, but let's just ignore that. Okay, yep, that went in. Let me just get the SD card quickly as well. So the SD card that I went for is the SanDisk SD card. It's this one. It's not really seen visible. Yeah, that's that one. 256 GB as well because I'm recording a ton of videos on this. It's better to have the storage. So yep. And now, as you can tell, I'm very new to cameras. So I guess that goes in like that. Yep, it fit in. That's nice. I'm not sure why I said that's nice, but okay. Now the moment of truth. Wait. Yep, let's switch it on. And now it should be on. Unless it's out of battery actually. I didn't think about that. But yeah, anyways, this is what the camera looks like. It has a rolling lens here which zooms in 16 to 50, whatever. That means I have to learn a lot of stuff with this camera as well, so that's nice. So yeah, this is the camera. I'll record a bit more later because I think I have to charge this. But yeah, this is the camera that I'm going to be using for all of my vlogs now. And a lot of my other videos as well. So that's the unboxing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the October break vlog. Currently we're at the Feast of Hunters with this guy. And this is quite fun. It's basically an event which we already talk about French, Native American and British culture. And you sell stuff like these cool lockets like these. So we've come here during the October break because we're bored and free. It's quite fun. We're going to come here again next year probably. So yeah, I took some pictures as well. So I'm going to put those up right now and some videos. So enjoy the montage.
You know, you can also just swipe right. Photos there also are trending. What a password is LOG. You should take a photo of that close up.
Okay. It's good. Yeah.
That looks good.
All right. Now, where else do you want? What else do you want?
I want one of this. Can I take it out?
Yeah, take it out. All right. Let me put it on.
Yeah, just.
You hold on to the hammer.
Okay, I'm just trying to see where I should.
That's